I sue you. Meg coughed up blood as Tom Bower declares sue her after false accusations and lies on air. Biographer Tom Bower has warned Meghan Markle against suing over his bombshell new royal book. The author makes a series of explosive claims in Revenge, Meghan, Harry and the War Between the Windsors. Mr. Bower warned the Duchess of Sussex won't want to appear in court being cross-examined by my barrister as he discussed the prospect of Prince Harry's wife taking legal action over the unofficial biography. Asked by host Christine Lampard during an appearance on ITV's Lorraine, is it deemed a failure in your eyes if they don't try to sue? Mr. Bower, who has also written books on Prime Minister Boris Johnson, former Labour leader Jeremy Corbyn and Prince Charles, laughed and said, I don't mind if they sue as long as they lose. So far thank goodness they've lost. I think that Meghan, if she sues, she won't want to appear in court being cross-examined by my barrister. So it's best if she doesn't sue. Asked if he thinks Meghan will read his book, Mr. Bower added, of course she'll read it, I'm sure she will, she can't resist. The acid-bend biographer said he decided to write the royal biography after Meghan and Harry's Oprah Winfrey interview. Mr. Bower described the relationship between the Sussexes and the royal family as very toxic since Megxit and their interview with the US talk show host. He said, I think they do their best, the Windsors, Prince Charles and the Queen, to keep it cool, but it's impossible, especially with Harry's memoir about to come out. But ever since Meghan left Britain then did the Oprah Winfrey interview, it's been really poisonous. Harry and Meghan quit royal duties in March 2020 and moved across the pond. The Sussexes are now living in California with their two children Archie and Lilibet. They sat down with Oprah in March 2021 for their interview, which saw them make astonishing claims about the monarchy. And Harry's bombshell tell-all book about his life is due out later this year. The couple recently returned to Britain with their children for the first time since Megxit for the Platinum Jubilee celebrations. But in his book, Mr. Bower claims the Sussexes were left furious that Buckingham Palace refused all of their demands for a prominent role at the festivities. In other news, Prince Harry's wife Meghan Markle has been slammed by a TV host on Wednesday as he discussed the Duchess of Sussex being sued by Samantha Markle over claims she made during her interview with Oprah Winfrey. The Duchess of Sussex has been accused by her half-sister Samantha Markle of lying about her being an only child, a claim she made in her interview with Oprah Winfrey. On Wednesday's The Talk, the panel discussed Meghan Markle's legal team filing papers saying that the Duchess' comment was reflective of her own feelings about her childhood and not objective fact. Ian Collins, who was standing in for Sharon Osbourne, began, "What I don't get about this and what I don't understand, I always thought the American legal system is very protective over the freedom of speech. You can say all sorts of things. I know James and I have discussed on radio as well the things that can be said. You think they can say that and get away with it? They can talk about court cases in the States. The fact you can't say you're an only child seems extraordinary." James replied, "On one side I feel sorry for Meghan that she being dragged into this and for only $75,000, go big or go home. The second side though is here is somebody chipping away at every aspect of what she talked about. My truth, my truth, my truth. Shut up. We're all fed up of Meghan's my truth and I feel the brand Meghan has been really undermined by this." She said, "It feels to me Samantha Markle wants to be upset about something. She wants a bit of a cash, $75,000 is what she needs to sort out this, that and the other. Why don't the legal team say Samantha was 17 years her senior, they were in and out of each other's lives because of school and because the parents were together then they weren't." Offward continued. The journalist pointed out that Meghan and Samantha didn't grow up together.